Hello Rupee Boss team. Hi everyone. Everyone's ready with your cup of coffee? Star Performer of the Month is right here. We have the October month Star Performer. Who is he? Many of you know. Yes, your city, Bangalore. Yet again and again. What are all the other centers doing, guys? I want to see star performers of other cities as well. Gagandeep, Relationship Manager at Rupee Boss Financial Services Limited, has been part since last 8 months, and this time he from Bangalore has won the Star Performer of the Month. I can't wait to get him on board, so let me get him on board. Gagan, hi. Sent your request. Where are you?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can I
Good evening.
handshake back? Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
that hand, the other one. दूसरा वाला हाथ. Yes,
Okay, yes.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Kudos. Star performer.
Ma'am.
How is the feeling? What are you feeling right now? Tell me.
Feeling good, ma'am. Achieving before 1 year.
Okay.
Ma'am.
अचीवर वाला फीलिंग जो होता है उसको वन वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब करो. वन वर्ड अचीवर वाला फीलिंग.
Feeling good, ma'am. Like
Good.
achieving. Feeling
Wow.
proud.
Yes,
Feeling proud.
I get it. That is
Ma'am.
the thing you're supposed to have.
Ma'am.
So we welcome you, Gagandeep, into this wonderful series of Rupee Boss. Who am I? Your host and host, Hetal Rawal, right? Okay. So, Gagandeep, tell me something about yourself. You're from which city? Who do you have in your family? पहले personal जाएंगे, फिर professional जाएंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. I am from Chitradurga, ma'am. Basically, in my family, 4 members are there, ma'am. My father, mother, my sister. I studied my education in Bangalore only, ma'am.
Gagandeep, I think you have a neighbor who is also talking to you. आपके बाजू में बैठा है.
One second.
So you can do the screen like this. I will tell the. Wait, he's creating some ambience which is going to be conducive for everybody. See, this is how people perform. Too much of performance, a lot of people from the team member, everybody is working. Yes. Hello, Mr. Praveen Chandra. Hi, Kia. Okay. Hi, Srinivas. We are all celebrating your performance and your peak performance. Gagan, come back. Thank you for telling the people around you to give you that exclusive time. So I want to understand 2 things. You just told me that you're from Bangalore, your family, you've got a sister, parents. Is this your first job?
It's my first job, ma'am.
Nice. And how does it feel when you achieve something, you get appreciated, and people around you celebrate your achievement? I mean, what is that feeling?
Feeling proud, ma'am. All our seniors and they have experience. I was new joining. I was able to achieve with the help of my team leader, ma'am, Kishore Impressive, with the support of Kishore Impressive.
So nice to know. So, workspace कहीं पे भी हो, whether this financial services company या कहीं पे भी, very important is at individual capacity आप perform करना शुरू करें, and another most important part is team members, your leaders acknowledge your achievement, and that is something that Rupee Boss is doing day in and day out. and investing in their team, which is worthy enough. वो बोलते हैं ना people equity में ethos संभालने के लिए companies like Rupee Boss are always there, and they do this. So let me go a little more deeper to understand that आपको in this much short tenure to get this kind of an achievement. See, Mr. Chandra is already saying many congratulations to you. So ये लाने के लिए there is something Gagan that you are doing over and above the other average people. So share us some secrets. We would want to know how do you get the best quality in cracking a call or talking to a client? या आपने क्या समझा कि how to become a star performer?
Reaching customer on time, ma'am. Customer on time and building a relationship with the customer, good relationship with the customer will help us to achieve, ma'am.
And how do you build good relationship with the customer? What does Gagan do? मुझे बुक के आंसर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे गगन के आंसर चाहिए.
Ma'am, doing proper calls, ma'am.
Okay, engage with them in more
Customers.
talking to them, explaining them, right? Or I'm sure you cannot be a good performer ऐसे ही. People must have given you good feedback also. So what was the best feedback that you received that made your day? Yes, आज का दिन तो बन गया. क्या feedback आया मुझे?
With the clients or
any feedback from the client where you felt like, wow, this made my day?
Ma'am, customer was he was happy with our services, ma'am. Yes, and he has told us that he will refer some customers also, ma'am, in future.
Nice. In future. Good. What were the words? तुम तो remember करोगे क्या words use किए थे? What were the words used by the client?
Words like he was happy, ma'am. That's what he said.
Happy.
I was happy with your services.
Nice.
Impressed by our services.
Nice. Good. And any lesson that you learned which you felt, okay, in my first job I learned something like this?
Mama, I learned, I developed my skills, ma'am, here. I developed my skills and I'm learning now. Still I'm learning, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to do something and play something, okay? For the audience. I'm going to ask you a question which is going to be a rapid fire, but in the middle of the session live with you, I'm going, for all the audience here, I'm going to pick up some 5 things and show. Memory game hai, yaad rakhna. By the end of the rapid fire, I'll ask what are the 5 things in the video I showed. The first thing that I'm going to show is here. What is this? A remote control. This is remote, okay? Everybody can participate. While I'm asking Gagan this thing, I want to see how many people live are noticing this. ये पहला वाला मैंने flash किया. Now my questions are going to start with Gagan. इसके बीच में दूसरा वाला कुछ flash करूँगी. You have to notice it. 5 items. So 1 is gone. Gagan, tell me fast. Who is your favorite manager? Favorite manager. अभी चलो मैं fight शुरू कराती हूँ अंदर. Tell me your favorite manager. Someone जिसको any problem is there, you go and talk to him. First thing.
Our team leader, ma'am, Kishore MK sir.
Kishore sir. Okay. Some member who is extremely naughty. I'm flashing something too.
Okay.
Very naughty member.
Prijwal sir.
I thought आप बोलते कि I am also very naughty. I am also very like नहीं. Okay, nice. Which product you're very confident in selling?
Business loan. Unsecured business loan.
Third product is gone. Third thing I have just swapped. Let me see किसको याद है. Let me see. Anybody can participate. Ravin, you can participate. Arun, you can participate. Shetty, you can participate. Who all are there? Sharath is there. Patel Bhavan is there. Varsha is there. Karthik is there. Okay. While I'm asking this question, I want to see kisko kya remember hota hai. Okay. Gagandeep's favorite actor.
Favorite item in food or ma'am?
Who's your favorite actor?
Actor ma'am. Actor Darshan ma'am. Darshan.
Darshan.
D boss.
Acha. Okay. Okay. And from Tollywood, all the South Indian movies, who is your favorite actress?
Prabhas ma'am. Prabhas.
Prabhas is actress, actor.
Actor ma'am.
How many products am I down? I showed
5 products ma'am.
yes. I like it, Gagan. I like it. So you're not going to tell me all the 5 products, okay?
Okay.
Anybody who wants to join right now can give me a request or in the comments start telling me the products which I should. Chalo, let me see. Gagan, अब master करना, you have to identify the winner in that. Okay?
Okay.
Come on, fast. People tell me. What are the products? Who wants to come online right now? Who wants to congratulate Gagandeep and also find out whether they have won or they have not won? Come on. This kind of game, a lot of people have. Gagan, in the meantime,
Okay.
do you have any vision for the next 6 months? कि ये एक goal है जो मुझे लेना है.
Yes ma'am.
What is that goal?
I need to break my this one ma'am. What?
Do you mean you want
I need to
break your own record once again?
ma'am.
Yes. And if you break it 3 times, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Ma'am.
If you break
Victory.
your record one after the other, what do you call it? Yeah, somebody prompted me.
Victory ma'am.
No, it's called hat trick.
Hat.
Yeah. So do not go
Okay.
for 2, go for 3. You have got Dhurandhars in your team. Every month, some or the other person gets the star performer. So to be in the belt or hat trick lena, yani, that's wonderful. Your last time's team was more vocal. Abhi dekho, I'm not getting anybody who's giving the answers. I will randomly pick up anybody. Yeah? Sandeep, Via, Srinivas Shetty. Is he there? Srinivas Shetty next to you? Or Karthik Kotari?
No ma'am.
Sukesh. Who wants to come online right now to tell me that how many products did I flash? Otherwise, I'll have to say that I was the winner or Gagan was the winner. Who's ready to join? Tell me. Pawan, can you do that? Or you're shooking? Who is this? Arun, Vanita, Sapna? Okay, leave it. Everybody seems to be drinking tea or coffee. You tell me, Gagan, how many products did I do?
5 products ma'am. First one is AC remote.
Okay.
Second one is mobile ma'am. Third one is pen ma'am. Fourth one is water bottle. Fifth one is goggles ma'am.
Fifth one is right next to me right now. And I use it many times for a lot of meetings. When I have to some...
Fifth one is goggles ma'am.
Yeah, you got it right. You got it right. Yes. Why a memory exercise? Why something impromptu? I did this exercise only and only to let all the audiences know right now that to be an achiever, getting targets is one thing, but there are certain traits that is required, and that is what I just displayed everybody, that Gagan not only took the initiative of something suddenly, abruptly, impromptu activity karaya. He also excelled. He also got the numbers right. he was also sporting enough. So जो nature होता है ना, whether you're a sales person, whether you're whatever professional, आपके सामने जो गूगली भेजी, बाउंसर भेजा, take it in a good stride, be positive, gamify stuff, like stuff, participate, and just see what new things can happen with you. And that's exactly what Gagan did. I just tried to play a game, wanted to see whether our digital audience is participating or not. आज शायद ट्यूसडे है, थोड़ा सा शर्मा रहे हैं, थोड़ा टाइम ले रहे हैं, बट यार आई एम योर होस्ट एंड दोस्त. We've spent so much time together digitally. Anybody can come online and say a hi to us. But Gagandeep, kudos. आपने ये एक्टिविटी की तो मैं काफी लोगों को बता पाई कि सिंपल सिंपल चीजों में भी कुछ टैलेंट होता है, कुछ स्किल होता है which you require, which was spontaneity, impromptuness, alert, agile at the same time, and yeah, good memory. Not bad. You
Thank
are
you,
a
ma'am.
performer for a reason.
Thank you, ma'am.
Acha, one wish, if you have for this year's end, कुछ aim किया हो, so what is that?
Huh?
Any aim, any wish that you have, so what would you do that? What is your wish or an aim? It can be professional, it can be personal. This is all your comfort zone circle. अब बोलो, कोई भी. I want to play a guitar, or no, I want this particular goal to be achieved professionally. Anything.
Ma'am.
What is it? Tell me. Any goal?
Goals. I have goals, ma'am, to build something for my family.
Build something for your family.
Ma'am.
Not bad. This is something very nice. You want to give back to your team. So you want to give back to your family. Why not? Your family is the one which makes you grow. That's
Ma'am.
so. Abhi, I don't know which song is this, but this song seems to be really, really nice. And I'm going to play it, and we're going to have the victory dance. Okay?
Huh?
We're going to have a victory dance. You and I have to. So wait, there is some ad which is running. I don't know why it is running, but hang on. Okay, give me just a minute. So Gagandeep, 8 months, another 3 months to go. The moment the year gets over, you get your lot of promotions, and I really wish you get a wonderful one. What dance? We have to dance. It's a ritual.
Ma'am, I don't know.
But you love the music. I love the music. I don't understand.
Ma'am,
Dance.
I like the music, but I don't know.
I want you to dance. Can you accompany me? Give me company.
Oh, ma'am.
No dancing. No dancing.
No, dance.
Okay, I'm dancing on behalf of Gagan.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Alright. So congratulations, Gagan, once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have a lot of victory, and keep up the good work. Keep
Okay.
doing good work, and be this spontaneous. I love your style. Okay, you
Thank
truly
you.
deserve it.
Okay,
All
okay,
right,
ma'am.
guys. Thank
Okay,
you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you so much. Bye, ma'am.